Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a swatches video for the Love Earth non-transfer crayon lipstick. I saw this come up on my Instagram feed and I was very excited to do a swatches video for this. I will be doing a mini review after the swatches, so in case you just want to see the review, you can jump to that. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
So those are the swatches and here's the mini review. Talking about the shade range, as you can clearly see, they are very nude dominant, which I love. I love nude shades, as you know, I'm very biased towards them. There's two red shades, one is called Firewood and the other one is Butterfly Bush. Both of them are very suitable for the Indian skin tone because obviously reds go very well, and I love deeper reds. This is not the Ruby Woo red at all. Both of these are just deeper reds which my mom would love. Like, these are shades that most Indian women wear on a daily basis. The four shades I felt were very similar were Lupin, Juniper, Submarina Brown and Prunus. Four of them are very similar. They come in the same color tones, color family. Very difficult to differentiate between these four also. Wohi 19-20 farak hai between these four shades. So that was something, but I love that they are in the nude family because I love all four of them. The ones that stood out to me, the first one is Hardy Mums. This one is a color that when I applied it first, I was like, ye kya hai? Ye mujhse nahi hoga. But then dheere dheere it started sort of settling, and it was a color I got used to after I applied it. You know, some colors you know ki ye mast lagne wala hai. But this color was one that took me 2 minutes to just get used to the concept and love. Hardy Mums is one of those shades which you have to apply to love. Another one that stood out was Coffee Rose. This is a very classic pinky brown shade that I absolutely adore. I think this is something I would wear on a daily basis, so that's why I love this one. But my most favorite shade in this whole range is Iris. I think it's just this darker nude pink sort of a color. This is my absolute favorite color in this whole range. It's beautiful. So yeah, that was the shade range. And about the lipstick itself, the crayon glides on like cream. It genuinely does. Let me show you. It genuinely just glides on like an actual crayon. Even crayons are not this smooth as this lipstick is, but oh my god, it just melts into your lips. But the second it melts, it dries down into this extremely dry matte. Like ये नहीं हटने वाला है. It's so matte that my makeup remover does not remove it. Because I had to film swatches, I know that I had to change it 9 times, and every time I had to change my lipstick, my makeup remover would not remove it. It would take baby oil to break down the lipstick to then get it off. So this is a very long lasting lipstick. It just doesn't come off. But I mean, I've been used to using matte lipsticks for my entire adult life, so I may sort of hydrate before applying this, but it just stays and it doesn't come off, and that is incredible. For a crayon lipstick, because I would assume crayons to not be this long lasting, this is incredibly long lasting. And I just want to show you guys one thing. It says the name of the lipstick is non-transfer crayon lipstick. Throughout these swatches, I've constantly just been doing, and see this, it actually doesn't transfer anywhere. So I'm glad that the name says non-transfer, and it really doesn't transfer. It doesn't budge at all. So that is one thing I'm glad कि claim किया है तो actual में है, which a lot of lipsticks just don't do. But this one is incredible. The fact that it claims one thing and it does it. Now for the price point this is at, I think the MRP is at $7.99 per lipstick, which is incredibly high for a crayon lipstick, I'm not gonna lie. But they're on sale for $3.59 because I think this is a new launch, so I'm gonna link it all below. That being said, I really think the bundles that they're selling are more reasonable. They're for $9.99 for 5 lipsticks versus one for $3.59. So I would really suggest the bundles over individual lipsticks just because you also get that range. Now that being said, in general in life, I don't particularly like crayons because एक टाइम पे वो क्रेयॉन खत्म हो जाता है, फिर उसको शार्पन करना पड़ता है, एंड वो शार्पन मुझसे होता नहीं बिकॉज उससे प्रोडक्ट वेस्टेज होता है एंड आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक इट. सो द होल शार्पनिंग कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्रेयॉन लिपस्टिक्स आई डोंट पर्सनली एंजॉय. बट ये शेड्स आई डोंट थिंक आई विल गेट इन अ लिक्विड लिपस्टिक रेंज or in a bullet lipstick range for that matter. So I'm very happy with the payoff that this has, with the colors that this has, and the longevity of these lipsticks. I'm very happy with, and I'm okay to overlook the fact that they're in crayon just because of the other things that sort of compensate for this. So overall, I think I'm gonna give this lipstick an 8 on 10. I'm cutting 1 mark for the crayon aspect and 1 mark for the similarity between 4 shades. I wish there was more variety in that. But otherwise, I think these lipsticks are great, and if you do use them, let me know in the comments below which shade you like, which shade you want to try, and all of that. I really would love to have conversations with you about makeup in general. But this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know which one's your favorite out of all of these swatches. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys next time.